Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore deleted items on ClickUp. Whether you've accidentally deleted important tasks or simply changed your mind about removing something, we've got you covered. ClickUp is a powerful tool for project management, and the last thing you want is to lose important work. But don't worry, ClickUp has a built-in safety net to make sure that doesn't happen. Let's dive right in and guide you through the process step by step. First, the key to recovering deleted items is accessing ClickUp on your web browser or app. Start by logging into your ClickUp account. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main dashboard. This is where you'll find various controls on your left-hand side, designed to help you manage your tasks and projects efficiently. You might want to bookmark this dashboard for easy access. Next, navigate to the upper left corner of your screen, where you'll see your profile name. Hover over it and click to expand the menu options. Here, you'll find several settings that relate to your account, but what we're interested in is the Settings option. Give it a click, and it will lead you to a new page where you can manage and customize different aspects of your ClickUp workspace. This is where you can tailor your ClickUp experience, so feel free to explore other settings later to optimize your workflow. Now, scroll down the settings until you see a tab labeled as Trash. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a repository of all recently deleted items. This section acts as a safety net and retains your deleted items for a limited period, providing an opportunity to restore them if needed. Keep in mind that ClickUp retains deleted items temporarily, usually for 30 days, so be sure to act within this window to recover anything you've accidentally deleted. Once you're in the trash section, locate the item you wish to restore. You might notice some dots or an icon meaning more options next to each item. This is where our next step takes place. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu that will offer you various potential actions for your deleted items. These options allow you to take additional actions like permanently deleting the item or even restoring it to a different folder if needed. In this menu, you'll see the option to restore. Clicking Restore will bring the item back to its original location in your workspace, reinstating all its data and details as they were before deletion. This feature is incredibly helpful if you're worried about losing progress or accidentally removing an essential element of your project. It's a great way to quickly undo any mistakes or reintroduce items that might have been removed by mistake. By following these steps, you can easily recover deleted items on ClickUp. It's a simple and quick way to ensure that your important work isn't lost forever. Remember, ClickUp retains deleted items temporarily, so it's a good idea to review your trash regularly and restore anything you might need before it's permanent. A quick tip: if you're working in a team, make sure everyone is aware of this feature. You can help your teammates recover lost work without too much hassle, which can save everyone time and stress. You might also want to set up automatic backup reminders, or use the ClickUp integrations with tools like Google Drive to create backups of critical tasks and documents just in case. That's it for today's video. Hopefully this was helpful, and you're now confident in how to recover deleted items in ClickUp. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more productivity tips and ClickUp tutorials. And if you have any questions or need further clarification, drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help.